Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing us how to make this lovely design. And to start with today, I'll be using size 2 seed bead, and I'll be using my lock here. It's 3 holes. Then I have my stopper here, then this size 6 chalk bead, and I have my divider. Here, and I'll be using this flat nose plier, and also my cutter. I'm using my cutter as well. Always remember when you're making any design that the round nose plier is different from the flat nose. This is it, the flat nose, this is the round nose, but today I'll be using the flat nose and my plier here. And I'll be using 0.30 fishing line. You can use 35 if you want. Then I'll be starting with cutting a fishing line, a comfortable length I can handle, depending on the length I want it. And I have 4 of it. You cut a comfortable fishing line to 4 places. You have it like this. Then to start with, I will put this together, make it equal. Then pick my stopper, pass this fishing line, the 4 of it, through this stopper like this. So I have it like this. Then I take this lock, 3 holes, then I'll pass the fishing line through one of the holes here like this. Then I turn back, I have it like this. Remember, I passed the stopper first, then I pass them through back through the stopper again, through the stopper. Then I have this. I'll have it like this. At this point, I'll take my flat nose plier. And I'll press it down. I'll put it on the stopper and press it down. And with this, you secure the thread, the fishing line. It will never pull out. Like this. Here I have it. Then I take my cutter to cut out the excess. So this is it. So at this point, I'm going to pick 15 chalk bead. Here I have it. I'll pick 15 of it. Pass them through the 4 fishing line. Of this. So after picking the 15, this is it. I have 15 chalk bead here. And after picking this 15, I'll take my divider, and I'm using the one that has 6 holes. In this is, since I'm doing 3 strands of this design, I put this 4, I pass through this 4 fishing line through this first one here. Then the second one, I skip this second one, put to the third, then skip the fourth one, put to the fourth one. But this time I'm passing through the first hole in the divider. Then I have it like this. I pass the 4 fishing line through this divider like this. And I have this. And after this, I pick 4 seed beads, and I pass it through the 4 fishing line. 1, 1. So at this point I have it like this, if you can see. So at this point what I do now is to divide the fishing line. Since I have 4 feet, I'll divide it into 2. I have this, the one on my right will be my group 1, the one on my left will be my group 2 fishing line. So at this point I drop this, I split it into 2, then I pick, in this one the group 1 is 2 now, 1 and 2, then I pick 5 fishing line each, 5 seed bead size 2 each on the rope. Then I put it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I drop it. I do same with the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have it like this. I drop the both of them, then I take one seed bead and crisscross the group 1 in this direction, then I drop it. So you have it like this. Then at this point I take the group 2, fishing line. I'll do same with the group 2, picking 5, then I crisscross with 1. This is the group 2. Then I'll take the group 2 now to do the same. So after picking 5 each with my group 2 fishing line, I take a seed bead and I'll crisscross it. The same thing I did before. I crisscross the 2 fishing line in this direction. So you see I have this group 1 and group 2. So at this point I have them like this, So I'll take 1 fishing line from group 1 and 1 from group 2, forming my next group 1, and the other one, the fishing line from group 1 and group 2. You see it like this. Then I'll do the same thing I did now, picking 5 in each rope, in each fishing line, then I'll crisscross with seed bead. I'll continue this until I get to the length I want, and I'll pick the 5. So after picking my 5 in with the group 1, then I take 1 seed bead and cross it. I have the second step here. Then I pick 5 each from the group 2, the second step. Then I also crisscross it with 1 seed bead. I crisscross with a seed bead. My second step is ready. This is it. I have something like this. So when you put it together again, you have another group. You also take the same fishing line. Take 1 from group 1 and 1 from group 2, forming the third step, group 1, and I'll do the same like this. The same thing I did first. So this is how you continue this design till you get to your desired length. So when you get to the length you want it, let's assume this is what I want, maybe for earring or bracelet. You see what I did here? When you get to the length you want this design, you take another 4 seed bead and pass it through the 4 fishing line here, and you have it like this. Then you put your divider. After putting the divider, you pick another 15 crystal bead and pick your stopper. After picking stopper, you pass it through this side, the next side of the hook, as this one is now. I put it here, you put it here. After putting it here, you pass it back through the divider and press it with your stopper. and you have the design you saw initially in this video. So if you like this video or you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share my videos, like them, and comment if you have any question or concern. I will reply. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.